Hello and welcome dear students. We are going to solve problems on the article polar form and exponential form. So see your example. Represent the following complex numbers in the polar form and in the exponential form. So your complex number is given -1 plus root 3i. So we have to write this complex number in the form polar form and exponential form. So first we let z equal to given complex number -1 plus root 3i. Then write values for a and b. Compare with a plus ib. So here a is equal to -1 and b is equal to root 3. Then we find the value of r. We know r equal to formula square root of a square plus b square. So it is equal to square root a is -1 its square plus b root 3 its square. So it is equal to plus 1 plus 3 and that is square root of 4 and we get here 2. We take only positive value because r is the length. So we get r equal to 2 here. Since the point, we can determine point given complex number -1 plus root 3. So point is -1 comma root 3. So point -1 comma root 3 lies in the second quadrant. Right? X coordinate negative and y coordinate positive. That means that point lies in the second quadrant, and therefore we can find here theta. So this point is in second quadrant. That means definitely pi plus some angle phi, and where phi is nothing but that is argument of z. Formula is tan inverse b divided by a. So it is equal to tan inverse b divided by a. So it is equal to tan inverse, here b root 3 and a -1, that is tan inverse of minus root 3 and that is minus tan inverse root 3. We know value of tan inverse root 3. Tan 60 is root 3, so tan inverse root 3 means 60. 60 means pi by 3. We substitute this value of phi here in this step, and therefore we get theta is equal to pi. Phi means minus pi by 3. Take LCM. So 3 pi minus pi means 2 pi divided by 3, and therefore we can write the polar form is, we know formula z equal to r in bracket cos theta plus I sin theta, and therefore z is equal to r, substitute value of r is 2 in bracket cos theta we have find that is 2 pi divided by 3 plus I into sin 2 pi divided by 3, and the exponential form we know formula z equal to r into e to the power I theta, and therefore the exponential form is z equal to r means 2 e to the power theta is 2 pi divided by 3 I. Solution completed. Continue second problem. Minus I, complex number minus I. So solution, first we let z equal to given complex number that is minus I, and which can be written 0 minus I. Then we write the values of a and b. Here a equal to 0 and b equal to -1. Then we find the value of r. So r is equal to square root of a square plus b square. So it is equal to square root 0 square plus minus 1 square. So it is equal to square root of 0 plus 1. So get square root of 1 and it is 1. Since the point here point is 0 comma minus 1, lies on negative y-axis. Clearly point 0 comma minus 1, x coordinate 0 means lies on y-axis and y coordinate negative means lies on negative y-axis. So clearly here we get theta, negative y-axis, that angle is 3 pi by 2, and therefore the polar form is formula z equal to r in bracket cos theta plus I into sin theta, and therefore z equal to value of r is 1 in bracket cos theta means 3 pi by 2 plus I sin theta 3 pi by 2, and the exponential form. Formula is z equal to r into e to the power I theta, and therefore z equal to value of r is 1, e to the power theta is 3 pi by 2 I, and the solution completed. Continue third problem. Minus 1, for that every real number is a complex number. So let z is equal to minus 1, and that can be written minus 1 plus 0 into I in the form of complex number. Here we write the values of a and b. A is minus 1 and b coefficient of I, that is 0. Then r equal to formula root a square plus b square, so which is equal to square root minus 1 square plus 0 square, square root of 1 plus 0, square root of 1, and that is 1. Then see point where it lies. So what is point from this complex number? Minus 1 comma 0. That means x coordinate negative and y coordinate 0. That means lies on negative x-axis. So point minus 1 comma 0 lies on negative x-axis, and therefore we can determine theta. Negative x-axis means angle 180, that is pi, and therefore we can write the polar form. Given the formula z equal to r in bracket cos theta plus I into sin theta, and therefore z equal to r is 1, cos theta means pi plus I sin pi, and similarly the exponential form is given by formula z equal to r into e to the power I theta, and therefore z equal to r is 1, e to the power here theta is pi and I, and thus solution completed. Continue fourth problem. 1 divided by 1 plus I. See solution. Let z equal to given problem 1 divided by 1 plus I. Here note that this is given as a division of two complex numbers. So first we have to rationalize, we have to take complex conjugate 1 divided by 1 plus I, multiply and divide by 1 minus I by taking complex conjugate of denominator. In division of two complex numbers we take conjugate of the denominator, and simplify 1 into 1 minus I. Denominator formula a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, that is 1 square minus I square. So it is equal to 1 minus I, 1 square is 1, we know value of I square minus 1 and this minus sign we get plus 1. That is 1 minus I divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. Write in the form of complex number, that is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 I. So we get z equal to this complex number. Then we find the values of a and b. Here a is 1 by 2 and b is minus 1 by 2, and therefore we find r equal to formula square root of a square plus b square. So it is equal to square root, a square means 1 by 2 square plus b is minus 1 by 2 its square. So it is equal to square root of 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is addition 2 divided by 4, and that is square root of 2 by 4 means 1 by 2, and that is square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 2 as it is, and therefore we get this value of r as 1 divided by root 2. Then we determine point. Since the point from the given complex number, note that this is complex number, so point is 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2 lies in third quadrant, right? Because x coordinate, here x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative, positive and negative, that lies in third quadrant, and therefore we can take theta as pi plus some angle phi. So where phi is nothing but argument of z, which is given by formula tan inverse b divided by a. So tan inverse, here b is minus 1 by 2 and a is 1 by 2. So note that here 1 by 2 cancel and we get tan inverse of minus 1, and that is minus of tan inverse 1. We know value of tan 45 is 1, so tan inverse 1 is 45. 45 means pi by 4, and thus we get pi equal to minus pi by 4. We substitute this value here, and thus we get theta equal to pi, and value of this pi is minus pi by 4. Cross multiplication, 4 pi minus pi, we get here 3 pi divided by 4, and therefore the polar form is z equal to r in bracket cos theta plus I sin theta, and therefore z equal to, substitute value here, r is 1 by root 2 in bracket cos theta 3 pi by 4 plus I sin 3 pi by 4, and the exponential form is z equal to r into e to the power I theta. Therefore z equal to value of r 1 by root 2 e to the power I theta. Theta is 3 pi divided by 4 into I, and thus solution completed. Okay, we stop here. Till then, goodbye.